I was trying to be respectful with them, but I was like, hey.
First try. Welcome back to what would hopefully be the second to last video of this build. Right now we're getting the doors on, getting everything prepped for paint, and then we'll send it off and it'll be back within a week or two. Just need 3 doors, 2 fenders, and the front valence to be paint matched with the two-tone on it as well. Now we're gonna get some wires hooked up, but you guys will see yourselves in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy and stick around for the end. Just hooked up these grounds, 1, 2, 3, connected these wires. These are going to attach to the outside of the fender liner, this as well, that as well. And now I'm going to focus on the smaller ones over here. Then on the back side, one attaches there, and then move towards the fuse box. Well, finally got the fuse box cap on. Now I will go over to the wiring that attaches to this. And then hopefully with the rest of the grounds on, I can hook up a battery and see if the dash lights up. All right, number 5 first. I'll just slowly. So I'm doing the wiring. This is the new wiring harness. Cut the pigtail off. This is the old one. Now there are some things I need to remove. For example, this top right, if you can see here, that top right is closed off on the old one. So I need to remove this pin as well as these 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. They're all closed off. 1, 2, 3. So I need to remove those 3, top right, and then I believe that's it. Everything else matches. So I should be okay from there. I'm adding coolant. Just don't look at the way I'm pouring. It's kind of hard with one hand. Gonna do a 50-50 mix. A full gallon of coolant and then a full gallon of distilled water. And then I will start it up once the key's made. Man, oh man, I don't know what part this is, but we just picked up our rack and pinion sitting right there in the Tesla. Gonna put it on. It's not really that difficult. All it needs to do is be reprogrammed with Forescan. And a few more things I gotta do with the front end, but we'll get this all hopefully done today. That way we can send it off to get the airbags resoldered, reprogrammed. Same thing with the rack and pinion, and then this car should be good for registration, weight, smog, safety, all that jazz, and hopefully paint. Here we have the rack and pinion. This nice little box. What's nice is if I bring the original one, that one back, they will give me $500 back. So the issue is I got this one from the 2024 that was flooded, and because it's different year, it has a different code and whatnot. So it pops up as a check engine light on my truck. So that way I need to swap them out and whatnot. But let's get into it. Not much to do, just unscrew 2 bolts and that's it. First, you're gonna move a 10mm bolt that attaches the steering to the rack and pinion right down here. Once that's done, you can pull it up and out of the pinion. Then you'll go under and disconnect these cables. There's 1, 2, 3 cables, and then another 2 10mm bolt ground wires. So one right there and one right here. Next, you'll need the size 21 socket to remove this bolt that holds onto the tie rod, and then you can just wiggle it around and pull it up. Or if you need to, hammer it out. So here's the new rack and pinion. Next up, we're gonna remove those 2 bolts, and that's to just lower the pinion down, or the rack, whatever you call it. And then we'll install this one. All right, I removed the old one. Got the new one up there. Reason I didn't record it is because I had to climb under and remove it myself. Next up, we're gonna torque these down. I have Loctite new bolts, and I'll show you the torque spec on both of them. And then I'll put the old one in here, return it to the dealer, and they'll give me a rebate back for bringing the core in. All right, I got my torque wrench right here. 184 foot-pounds. You start on this bolt and then go to that one. Next up, I'll be doing the steering rack. It will be 22 foot-pounds of foot torque. And after that, I'll go over to the end of the tie rod sternacle, which is 66 foot-pounds torque. Mirror, no, it's chrome.
Parking sensor, nothing. Because that's happened so often with me. Customer bring the plastic, blah 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 grills, and then I forgot my mirror. I forgot my.
All right, truck is at the shop. We're gonna get it painted. Just need 3 doors, like 2 fenders, and then the front valance, and that's it. This thing's gonna look sick. Now I'm just looking for KMC wheels and maybe size 35s. But from what I heard, he has to cut the front bash bar up there, which we'll see what we can do. But we'll give it about a week and a half, maybe 2, and this thing will be back on the road.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your
I went to the diagnostic guy with my accurate TLX 2024 typeface. Now it's hot. Mirror is not painted. See you Saturday.
Yeah. Saturday I work till... Now we finally sent off the truck to paint. It's in the shop right now. Obviously, as you guys can see, it's back from the paint, but that will be for the next video. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, stick around for the next one. We have some cool things coming up. Just can't really share that yet, but hopefully you liked it. Take care.